Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Wise Owl. Today I will be speaking on the topic drone technology. So let's get started. Index. Firstly, we'll look at the introduction of drones, then the important milestones, then the types of drones, uses of drones, and conclusion. Drones. The term drones usually refers to any unpiloted aircraft. The drone is referred to as UAV, which is Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. We can also call drones as RPAS, which stands for Remotely Piloted Aerial System. Drones can carry out an impressive range of tasks, ranging from military operation to package delivery. These can be large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of our hands. Well, that's pretty cool. Important milestones of drones. In 1782, Montgolfier brothers used unmanned balloons in France. In 1848, Austrians used bomb-filled balloons against Venice. Tesla demonstrates a boat on a pond in New York operated by radio waves in 1860. The first use of UAVs using cameras for surveillance was done in 1896. In 1910, US used bomb-filled balloons during Spanish-American War. In 1940, Operation Aphrodite used remote-controlled bombers loaded with explosives to hit reinforced enemy facilities. In 1960, Lightning Bug and Ryan Firebee jet-propelled drones were used as remote combat aircraft. From 1960 to 1970, Lightning Bugs were used in Vietnam War in more than 3,500 combat incidents. Aerospace maverick Kareem creates Amber in 1974. In 1986, Israel and American military start using the Pioneer. The Desert Storm. At least one UAV was airborne at all times in the First Gulf War, which took place in 1991. In 1993, the monitoring of climate and environment was done using the drones. From 1999 onwards, Predator was used for surveillance, and the use of Hellfire ASM missiles in combat in places like Kosovo, Afghanistan, and other war zones. From 2007 onwards, the Reaper, a more advanced version of the Predator, was used in combat missions in Iran and Afghanistan. In 2014, the drones were generally used as toys for camera shots. The US military drone budget was set at $23.9 billion for 5 years. The drones exploded in popularity for recreational and photo, videography, and other generic use. In 2016, consumer drone popularity at an all-time high. Drones get a bad name due to close calls with commercial aircraft. Issues such as no-fly zones and risks to commercial aircraft create a divide between lovers and haters of drones. In 2017, legalities and ethics in the foreground as popularity of large and small drones keep gaining ground. Types of drone. There are mainly two types of drones. One for military purpose and the second one for civil purpose. Drones for military purpose. The military drones are used for surveillance. Surveillance drones allow for long-range missions while keeping military workforce out of harm's way. Reconnaissance. Reconnaissance drones can provide real-time information on enemy positions before the troops arrive on site. Situational awareness. Being able to anticipate what's about to happen in a combat zone is a difference between life and death. Drones for civil purpose. Photography, videography, and package delivery. This technology is not implemented in India, but you can see it in the USA. Some of the main uses of drones are outer space, emergency rescue, and wildlife and historical conservation. Now, let us look up to some pictures captured by drones. Beautiful, isn't it? Conclusion. Drones are also known as UAVs or RPAS. Drones are available in different varieties, shape, and size. The timeline of drones begins from 1782 and continues till date. There are mainly two types of drones, military drones and civil drones. Drones can be used in any situation and for different purposes. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe and do comment down below. Thank you.